Hi guys, today I am going to tell about international, introduce and describe international and busiest airport in the world. Three busiest airport in the world I describe. I want to travel in this airport. Hey, this is Shafiq. You are watching SNMTV. Press the subscribe button and bell icon. Please like, comment and share to spread out the video. At first you see that the Bahrain airport. In this airport, in the international airport in Bahrain, located in Maharag Island, this is very busiest airport in the world, established in 1927 in the Gulf, oldest in the international airport. This airport is very currently undergoing a 1.1 million. This airport very nice and busiest. I think that you can go this airport to see the entertainment scenery and beautiful location. This airport is very nice. Dear viewer, please subscribe in my channel SRM TV and visit my channel, like, comment and share to spread out the all over. Dear viewer, I am Shafiq and then I describe another airport in the world. Dear viewer, you see that the Saudi International Airport, I think King Abdulaziz International Airport. This is very nice airport. Is located in Jeddah and in the main Saudi International Airport, named after King Abdulaziz Al Saud and established 1981. The airport is the busiest airport in Saudi Arabia and the third largest airport in the kingdom. The airport Hajj terminal was specially built for Muslim going to Mecca annually on the Hajj. It is one of the largest in the world and can handle 80,000 passengers in the same time. You can see my picture in this airport. I went to this airport to traveling and see the scenery of the airport. Dear viewer, I think that you can go to this airport and get various entertainments from this airport, because the scenery of airport is very nice and cute. And then Mumbai Airport, Chandrapati Shivas Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai in India. This airport is fourth busiest airport in the Asia and 28th busiest airport in the world by passenger traffic in calendar years 2017. In its passenger traffic was about 49.8 million in year 2018. It is the busiest airport and nice airport in the world. This airport established 1942. The airport covers in area of about 1,000 500 acres. This is the large airport. I went to this airport to get entertainment and to see the airport. So hi guys, I think that you can go this airport and go around in this airport. Thank you very much for watching my SRM TV and subscribe. See you again. Bye bye.